Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to remove underline from link using CSS. So we have hyperlinks in our web page. Hyperlink means a link which is clickable. The user can click that link. That is what is called as hyperlink. So here the question is how to remove the underline from hyperlinks. What happens is when we put a hyperlink on a web page, it gives you underline by default. So let's look into it through a practical example. I will move on to my HTML document. Here I will create a href. I will give hash as the link. I will write some text here. Dummy text. So I have created a hyperlink. I will run this in browser by refreshing. So we can see here it is giving me by default an underline. By default it is giving me an underline. So if I want to remove this underline, I can do it by using CSS. So let's see how we can do this using CSS. So firstly I will define a style here, a new style. So I want to give it to the anchor element, so I will write anchor element as a selector. Secondly, the style will be text decoration, and we have to give here value as none. I will save. I will run in the browser. You can see now underline has gone. So this is the basic style through which we can remove the underlines from hyperlinks. So currently we have used the anchor element directly, so we can use classes also or ID selector also. So I will give you an example of classes first. So if I give a class here to the anchor element as hyperlinks, so we will be doing the same thing but through a different way. So this time we will give a class here. Class begins with dot, then we give the class name, that is hyperlinks, and the style will be same. So I will save. I will run in the browser. Here you can see the same effect. Underline has gone, but we have did this this time using the classes, with the use of classes. Similar way we can also do it through IDs. So I can convert this class into ID. So here also I have to replace the dot with hash, because IDs begin with hash, classes begin with dot. So I will again save the document. I will go to the browser. I have refreshed the page. So it is the same effect. The underline has gone, but it has gone through, this time through the ID selector. So this is how we remove the underlines from hyperlinks using CSS. For this we have to use this text decoration and make it as none. By default it is underline. We have to change it through CSS, with the help of CSS, to override the default behavior of hyperlinks. So this is what we learned in this video session, how to remove underlines from hyperlinks using CSS. Hope you understood the concept. Thanks for watching.